Welcome to my channel Travel Guide. Alaska Airlines Baggage Policy. Checked items and carry-ons. Baggage. Alaska Airlines offers a comprehensive baggage policy that caters to a wide range of passenger needs. Whether you're traveling with just a carry-on or checking multiple bags, understanding the details of Alaska Airlines baggage policy will help you avoid unexpected fees and ensure a smooth journey. Below are the 10 key points of the 2024 Alaska Airlines baggage policy. 1. Carry-on baggage allowance. Alaska Airlines allows each passenger to bring one carry-on bag and one personal item on board for free. The carry-on bag must fit within the following size limits: 22 inches by 14 inches by 9 inches, 56 by 36 by 23 centimeters, including the wheels and handles. The personal item can be a backpack, purse, briefcase, or similar, and must fit under the seat in front of you. 2. Checked baggage fees. The baggage fees for checked luggage depend on the number of bags you check. For standard economy class passengers, first checked bag, $30; second checked bag, $40; third and additional bags, $100 each. However, the fee may vary depending on the route or any special promotions. Passengers in premium cabins or those with elite status may have their checked bag fees waived. 3. Free checked bags for certain passengers. Alaska Airlines offers complimentary checked baggage for certain travelers. First class passengers, the first 2 checked bags are free. Mileage Plan Elite members, free checked bags depend on the member's elite status. Alaska Airlines credit card holders, 1 free checked bag for the cardholder and up to 6 companions on the same reservation. 4. Checked baggage size and weight limits. Checked bags must adhere to strict weight and size limits. Weight, maximum of 50 pounds, 23 kilograms, per bag. Size, each bag must not exceed 62 linear inches, 158 centimeters, length plus width plus height. Bags exceeding these limits will incur additional fees. 5. Overweight and oversized bag fees. If your checked bag exceeds the standard weight or size limits, you will be charged additional fees. Overweight bags, 51,100 pounds, incur a $100 fee per bag. Oversized bags, greater than 62 inches but less than 115 inches, incur a $100 oversized fee. Bags over 115 inches or 100 pounds will not be accepted, so it's important to ensure that your luggage falls within these limits. 6. Special items and sporting equipment. Alaska Airlines allows passengers to check various special items, including sporting equipment, musical instruments, and more. Commonly accepted special items include sporting equipment, skis, snowboards, golf clubs, bicycles, and surfboards are accepted if within the weight and size limits for standard baggage. Musical instruments. Musical instruments can be carried as either checked baggage or as a carry-on, depending on the size and weight. Pet carriers. Small pets can travel in the cabin if they meet the airline's requirements, and larger pets can be checked as cargo. Special items may incur additional fees depending on their size and weight, so it's always advisable to check with Alaska Airlines prior to traveling. 7. Infant and child travel items. Traveling with children comes with some additional benefits. Parents can check the following items free of charge: 1 car seat and 1 stroller per child. Additional items, like booster seats or travel cribs, can also be checked without counting toward the regular baggage allowance. However, it's essential to ensure that they are properly packed and meet the airline's guidelines for safety. 8. Military personnel benefits. Alaska Airlines offers generous benefits for active duty U.S. military personnel. Active military members traveling on official orders are allowed to check up to 5 bags free of charge, with each bag weighing up to 70 pounds. For personal travel, 2 checked bags are free, and the size and weight limits for regular checked baggage apply. 9. Baggage guarantee. To provide peace of mind to passengers, Alaska Airlines offers a 20-minute baggage guarantee. If your checked bag does not arrive at the baggage claim carousel within 20 minutes of your flight's arrival, you're eligible for compensation in the form of $25 in travel credit or 2,500 mileage plan miles. This guarantee helps ensure that passengers receive their bags in a timely manner. 10. Delayed or lost baggage. In case your baggage is delayed or lost, Alaska Airlines recommends filing a report at the airport within 24 hours of your arrival. The airline will make every effort to locate and return your bag as quickly as possible. Additionally, Alaska Airlines provides a baggage tracing system to keep you updated on the status of your bag. In cases of prolonged delays, passengers may be eligible for reimbursement of reasonable expenses incurred as a result of the delay, such as clothing or toiletries. Conclusion: Alaska Airlines has a straightforward and traveler-friendly baggage policy that caters to a wide variety of passengers. With clear guidelines for carry-on and checked luggage, along with special benefits for military personnel, elite members, and families with children, the airline strives to make the baggage process as hassle-free as possible. Understanding the baggage rules, including size and weight limits, fees, and special item allowances, will ensure that passengers have a smooth and stress-free experience while traveling with Alaska Airlines. Always check with the airline before traveling for any updates to their baggage policies or fees. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.